Can you come here?
A stumble walk. We'll take it.
Addie, can you come get me? Not this way. You're going the wrong way. No, we're not going to do it.
Say, come here, Mommy. Follow me.
You stay by yourself.
Say, I'm tired and hungry. You're making me work.
Bye. To go in the kitchen? Okay.
Hit the light.
Here, let's go in your room. Come here. Oh.
Addie, come here. Come to Daddy. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. Good girl.
Yay.
Go get Mommy.
Come here.
Go get Mommy.
Come here. Pretty close. You did good.
Good job.
Like, this is easier.